Hello, I'm Tony King. Thank you for watching. I've been doing this electrical work for about 38 years now, and I want to show and share with you a new product called theOUTlet. theOUTlet is a single duplex, and with just a touch of a finger turns into a double duplex. Today I want to show you how to install and how easy it is to install the outlet. The first thing we like to do is replace this single duplex receptacle and replace it with the outlet. Now, step number one is simply make sure the power is turned off to the existing receptacle so no one gets hurt. And here it is turned off. And then we'll begin by removing the receptacle cover. Should be two screws here, one on the top, one on the bottom. There. Now, to remove the outlet itself, we're going to just unscrew the screws that holds the outlet to the box and simply pull it forward, just like this. Very good. Now I'm going to take the wires off of this receptacle and have them prepared to go onto the new outlet. Now the old duplex receptacle has been removed, and we're going to open up the outlet and install it. Now that I've unpackaged the outlet, if we notice the back of it, on the top there's a dark screw, that's for your hot wire, the black wire. The center is for your ground, that's usually the bare copper wire or green wire. And then at the bottom there's a silver screw, and that's where the white wire will go. Now let's go ahead and install these. And now that we have removed the receptacle from the wall, it's time to remove the screwless cover from the outlet. Step one is I just stick a screwdriver here and release the little switch mechanism, and it just pops off like this. Set that aside, and now to turn it over, there's some release catches here, and up top here, and then one over where the catch mechanism is. I'll put a screwdriver in there, very easily release that one. And this side, I'll just release this one, and then this one. Now the cover just pops off, like so. Now, let's install the outlet. So if you notice, we're back at the box now, and there are 5 conductors, 2 whites, 2 blacks, and a ground. But on the back of the outlet, there are 3 locations. A very simple solution to put that together and make it work. And I'm going to show you how. We are going to take 2 white wires, twist those together, and add what we call a pigtail. Once that's together, a wire nut, and that one is done. We'll do the same thing with the black wires. We'll just twist these together. Add the pigtail. I'll give that a twist to make sure it doesn't come apart. A wire nut, and they're both good and tight, and now we are set. Now we're going to take these wires and we're going to push them in the back of the box to get them out of the way as far back as we can. And I'll just take these pliers, shove it back in there tight. And the black wire is the same way. We'll just shove the wire back in here very tight. There. Now all I'm left with is exactly what I need. 3 wires to go on the back of the outlet. Okay, so we're going to set the outlet in the box, and if you noticed again, there are 3 color screws. There's a dark screw, a green screw, and a light colored, chromed colored screw. The dark color screw at the gold looking one at the top, that is for the black or the hot wire. And it simply goes in the back like this. And we take our screwdriver and we just tighten it up. Good and snug, that one's in there. Then I go with the white wire. It's in all the way. Take the screwdriver, tighten it up, and it's snug. And the most important wire is the ground wire. So we're going to make sure that gets in good and snug. Just like this, and it is. And we'll tighten this one up. So now the outlet is ready to be installed, and we're going to just gently snug it up in the box. There. Okay, now that we have the outlet in place, before we go any further, I'd like to check the power to make sure the polarity is correct, and we have 120 volts or so coming to the unit. And I put in my tester and I have a green light. Everything is A-OK. So our next move is to screw the outlet to the wall. The 2 long screws I have come with the outlet, which is very convenient, not having to go to the hardware store to buy these 632 screws. You'll find them inside the package with this unit. Very good, that's done. And the next thing is just simply snap the cover on, like that. Here is your little button. We need to put that back in place, like this. And now we have what we call a convenient outlet. Look how clean and easy that is for extra power at your fingertips. And I don't know if you noticed, but this one came with, and you can get them with a USB port, which is very convenient. We'd like to thank you for taking your time to watch how to install the outlet.